guys, so today I have got another one of these Gardners cookies boxes to show you. Now this isn't one of the subscription boxes, this is one of the selection boxes, so this one is a little different. Basically the subscription boxes are like a surprise and the selection boxes obviously you can see what's in them. So they are doing Halloween subscription boxes soon, but they sent me one of the selection boxes of the Halloween stuff to kind of show you, and then if you want the Halloween subscription box, obviously you can go get it. So these ones are different prices and they are a little more expensive than the subscription boxes, but I do have a code for 10% off these ones, which is Luna, which I will put here. And I also have the code from last time for the subscription boxes as well, which was for a half price first box. So if you subscribed, your first box was £6.95. I'm not sure whether that still works, but you could go try it. That code was delicious, so if you want to go see if that works for a Halloween cookie box, then £6.95 posted to your door sounds pretty good to me. But I'm going to show you what's in here anyway, and I have a confession, which is I already filmed this video once and ate a cookie and then deleted the video, so there is one missing, but the one that I ate, there was 2 of in this box, so that's okay because we can still see what it looked like. But yeah, there's one missing because I'm greedy and ate it before even doing the video. Okay, so there we go. So they asked what selection box I wanted. There was loads of options. There was like Nightmare Before Christmas, bats, pumpkins, ghosts, literally loads. I chose Hocus Pocus, so that is what the theme of this box is, which is really cute. These are shortbread cookies and they are vegan, for anyone who's wondering, so that's really cool. And also a lot of my American subscribers were asking about it last time. If you go to their Etsy, they are going to start doing shipping to other countries, so obviously you can go and check that out as well. And let's just get into it. So when you open it up, there is lots of colourful worms, and these are our cookies. Like I said, one is missing, but this is the other 5 in here, so I'll show you them all separate obviously. So the first one we have is a little black cat. This is obviously supposed to be Binks. Very cute. He has a little face in there. I don't know if you can tell or not. I actually broke his tail by accident, but that's fine. So that is our first one. Next we have a black flame candle, which is very cute. Then we have this one, which is a circle that says I put a spell on you. This is one that I ate. There was 2 of these and I ate one of them, so this is what it looked like. There is a little gravestone that says rest in peace Billy. And then my favourite one, there is the book, which is very, very cute. So like I said, there's loads of options. I bet the Halloween one is going to be really, really cute. For £6.95 posted, it's an amazing price, so go try and do that if you can do. And also if you want one of these selection boxes, they do loads of different ones. They do animals, cars, sports, literally loads of them. So yeah, go and check them out. And I'm gonna go probably eat more of these now, so hopefully I'm not gonna delete this video. But yeah, I will put the links and stuff down below for these guys, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.